What's up DayMixers, welcome back to this channel. I'm glad today because I have another item to mix and match your day. Today I got my hands on 11BYBB's dark detachable multi-pockets cargo pants. These pants are also the advertised pants that go with this green hoodie that I bought earlier this year. I've added all the links in the description below. I got these pants because I wanted to find out whether they are any good in terms of quality, or was it just that the photo made it look good. Also, one of you guys requested and asked me to check these pants out, so hey, I'm doing it right now. So guys, if you're thinking along the lines like that, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell. Send me a message on my Instagram at DayMixer and let me know what items you want me to check out. Who knows, I might just get a chance to do a review video. Once I tried it on, I really liked the look. I bought a size L. I love how it's baggy around the thigh area, but once it goes lower towards the calf area, it becomes more fitted. And with this elongated elastic piece, it further emphasizes that skinny fitted look. Compared to the seller's photos, these pants do look like what the photo portrays, if not better. At first, it didn't give me the impression that this was actually a skinny look. I thought the pants were extra bulky around the thigh area and then it just cuts off halfway. But after trying it on, I realized it is actually a gradual blend from baggy to skinny. And with that, I reckon the pants itself looks better in person than compared to the advertised photos on the seller's page. I've gotten the green hoodie to match these pants. You guys can match it with other hoodies or jackets out there. Black colored pants are pretty easy to match up with. When I kneel down here, it did felt a bit tight. I can feel a pull around the lower thigh and knee area. I think why that was noticeable to me was because recently all the pants that I've been reviewing, all their materials have a bit of elasticity in them and they're designed to be loose from top to bottom. So when I tried these pants on, I immediately felt that difference. Also, if you are interested how these pants will look like on a girl, here it is. Alright, first impression done and I'm loving it. Time to check out the details. So by now everybody should know that if you're buying clothing online and your clothing label looks this good, it's likely you'll be happy with your purchase. So it comes with its typical clothing bag with its logo in the front and its iconics at the bottom. Oh, I like the sound of that. These zippers are massive. Look how smooth that was. I like these zippers. There's no details on the zippers. It does feel like YKK zippers. Oh yes, I like this. At the end of the strings, they have a layer over it and they printed their name on it. This looks real cool, extra style points. It's the same look as the hip hop shorts. If you haven't seen that video, I'll add the link in the description below. These pants have 6 pockets in total, 2 pockets in the front. The one that has the logo does not have Velcro attached on it, the one on the right hand side does. For the back pockets, both have Velcro attached on them. Now we go to the side pockets. The side pockets are the best looking pockets on these pants. These zips are just awesome. Just see how smoothly I can zip them up and down. I like how they have stitched their double one logo over here on the straps. For the depth of the side pockets, it didn't really feel deep. When I put my hand in it, it felt pretty shallow. So I thought that if I put my phone in it, it would definitely be poking out, but that wasn't the case. It was actually sitting there securely. Even if I were to be sitting down, I didn't feel like it was going to fall out. But if you don't feel safe, you can always just zip it up and all your worries are gone. Another thing that I find interesting is that you see a mesh type of fabric at the shin area, basically like an air vent. Just allows air to flow in, good for those hot days. Talking about hot sunny days, if you are traveling in these pants and you feel like you're sweating like a sizzling sausage on a barbecue, well, these pants have the function to turn into shorts. Cool thing is, just around the knee area, there are hidden zips covered by the fabric, so you can't actually see the zips until you flip them over. Just simply unzip from here and your pants become shorts. Pretty handy when it comes to traveling. You just bring one pair of pants, saves more luggage space. Time to flip the pants inside out. Looking at it, nothing out of the ordinary. Stitching all seems pretty standard. I didn't find anything that looked off. Pockets have their individual layers, which is great. You can see a space where the zips end. And this is where the air vent mesh I was talking about. Overall, I really like these pants. I'm glad that my trigger happy finger clicked on the purchase button. If I were to complain, and I'm really just nitpicking guys, is the text over here. They should have used a better looking font. I mean, is this like Comic Stan's long lost brother? Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I've got heaps more videos coming up, so stay tuned. And like how we always say it, DayMixer out!